Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna unbox Xenoblade Chronicles 2 Collector's Edition. Okay, so now that we got off all this wrapping paper, it has this some Xenoblade Chronicles 2. Okay, it just presents what's inside the package. We are going to look up that anyways. The front, back, and we can lift off this top cover. It's quite complex. And what we have here is, it appears to be consisting of two parts. So let's just try to open it. I hope I'm doing this in correct order. Oh, it's not coming off, so it opens like this. Really fancy. And only now we find the actual package. Now that we got rid of the cover, we can continue to next cover. I'm not sure how many covers this package is going to have, but we shall see. This was quite cool. It opens to the sides, and perhaps now we will get to see the actual. Oh, this is not the game. It's it comes. Everything comes in different sections, it seems. This is, what is this exactly? Let's just have a look. I do not even. Oh, I believe it's the art book. I have never seen art book this big. Usually it's just a very small one. There is no way I can go through this entire book. If you buy these collector's editions because of art books, this one is definitely a way to go. This art book is massive, so let's go through it page by page. So here we can see Xenoblade Chronicles 2 logo. I have not been playing this game, so I might not have much to say about this artwork, but at least I can show every single page. Characters, it's labeled, I believe. First, what we are going to see is all the characters of the game. I have tried to avoid spoilers, but I have watched few reviews. I couldn't help myself, and I believe this Rex is the main protagonist of the game. I'm not sure, haven't played it yet. And as you can see, this art book is designed so that you can actually color some of these models by yourself, so it's really made for an artist. Same stuff. We have so many pages here that I try to go at a certain pace. Pyrrha, one of the other main protagonists, looks really nice. This one I do not know. Mithra. Also, this artwork is gorgeous. Mia. Haven't heard such name before in any video games or Dromark, this lion. I believe I saw this in the review video I checked. You can use it as your mount. Torah, This is a character that you can find at least from the most of the Xeno games, and I don't mind, he's a fun character. Poppy. These characters have really fun names. Okay, who's this? It doesn't show. Perhaps she doesn't have a name. Morag. Brickhead. This artwork, it's really one of the best I've seen. But all of these art books, they are obviously drawn by artists, so no wonder they look this good. Pandoria. Probably the nerd of this game. Van Damme, apparently the tank of this game. Rock. Don't know how to spell that. Amalthus. There are plenty of characters, and these can't all be playable. I don't know. I hope they are. I've been told this game can easily take from 80 to 100 hours to properly play through, but I'm really going to take my time with this game. It's just, I've been waiting this so long. Well, I've been waiting this since I finished my Xenoblade Chronicles X. Also had the collector's edition from that one. It was also really nice. Didn't have any equipment to do any videos back then. Mikhail. This art book, it has really been designed so that anyone who likes to color these characters by themselves will have plenty to do. Duckhole. Lila. It looks like, I'm not sure if these could be enemies. Obrona and Sewer. Probably not spelled like that. Peridodo. Misk Blades. So much detail. Now these pages, they contain multiple characters and apparently more details. You can see here they have these boots separately and separate bags. Now we are getting more colorful pictures again. Really beautiful. They have really taken their time doing this art book. Okay, now we are getting to enemies. First we had characters, now we're gonna have enemies. I know, oh, this one doesn't look like an enemy, but I guess she is. So I'm not sure if I should look at these very closely because I still have to play the game, but I believe it's okay. I'm not gonna remember them anyways. And Xenoblade is a game that you also play for its magnificent story and character interaction. Because of their relationships. I especially like those heart-to-heart missions. These look like it's the wildlife of the world of Xenoblade. Chronicles 2. Really detailed looking creatures. This fox especially looks really nice. Titans, Titans, they in the Wii Xenoblade, they were these huge machines which were basically the entire world where we played the game. So this game apparently has Titans too. Yeah, you see a city on this Titan's back. We have only covered about half of the art book, so this really is massive. A giraffe, some kind of. Perhaps these are, well, no, these are not mounts. I don't know. Perhaps you can get a mount a city on its back. Locations. Don't even know which one of these is the main city. Usually these games have. At least Xenoblade Chronicles X had that main hub. So detailed. So much detail. And here you have a model and you can color one by yourself. So gorgeous pictures. Now these have a bit more purplish feel. As you can hear, I am not an artist. Oh, this one might be one of my favorites so far. I try if I can get it a little bit closer. No, that camera does not capture it all in its glory. If you even mildly like art books, you might wanna get this collector's edition, even a used one. Because it might be sold out already. One really gorgeous picture, some mountainside. These images really make me think about having a real camera. I only have this Logitech, the standard webcam, which everyone has. Okay, these pictures, they are so small you probably can't see much from that camera, unfortunately. Now, weapons. Yeah, they look futuristic. So much different kind of weapons. Okay, and now we are getting even more. Objects. This art book, it has so many sections, it covers like everything. Oh, it looks like an ancient video game. Here I'm gonna have to, I try to give this a bit closer look. And here we have some really detailed maps. Sofas and drawers, beds. Well, this looks like a poker table and some gaming tables. I'm sure this game has games within. We're lucky this company doesn't incorporate those microtransactions. Chests. Oh, food looks so delicious. Try to show this. Well, I'm not sure if it looks delicious, but at least it looks gorgeous. Tapestries or something, I don't know, perhaps mats. Okay, that covers the art book. This image, it's also at the back side or side of the steel book. I don't know what it means, but when I play this game I'm probably going to find out. And here is the back cover of this art book. It looks really nice. No, there is nothing at the other side. I believe everything here is here in the middle. So we have this leaf in between, and here we have the steel book. I'm gonna show it a bit closer. What's behind? Oh, it's just X, marking of an X. And inside it's just a very general looking Nintendo Switch cover. The game, it doesn't even have any markings which would indicate it belongs to a collector's edition. And then we also have the music CD. I don't usually even open these. I just play the game and hear all the music from the game. So do we have anything? This doesn't come off. I believe this is the collector's edition. So we have the game, music CD, steel box, and the most impressive art book I have ever seen in any collector's edition I have bought. So that pretty much covers it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you everyone for watching and wish you the most pleasant rest of the day. Bye.